I can get the bottle because it's raining. Oh, you so sad. You gonna sit on my foot. You so sad, daddy. You so sad, daddy. Get your bottle. Anytime else. Anytime else. What? Any other time. I'm in the shower. You running in the shower to play. But since it's raining, you ain't gonna get your bottle. Oh. You need to clean your face anyway. Too much rain for you. Handsome man. Remy, up here. What are you doing? Oh, look at them goofy eyes. Look at them goofy eyes. Look at them goofy eyes. Ew. Get them goofy eyes. Hey, handsome. No, not for you. I just ate. I'm blunt. Get it. Get it, Remy. Get that rain. Get it. 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 No, you staying close to me. I feel you. I like the rain. Get it. Yes. Get it. Get it, Remy. Get it. Get it, Remy. Oh. Get it, Remy. Get it. Get it, Remy. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it, Remy. Get it. Get it, Remy. Get it. Get it, Remy. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it, Remy. Get it. Get it, Remy. Get it. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy. Get it. You think you can pull it? Good boy. You trying. Get it, boy. Good Remy. Oh, you cheated because it's out of the rain. You cheated because it's out of the rain. Remy, you cheating. You cheating. You see what you done did? Crazy. Hey. Aha, the rain coming to you. What you gonna do? What you gonna do, handsome? Boring. Say bye. Oh, is that lightning? I think it's time for us to go in. Yeah, how about we let go of this? Okay, thank you. Let's go. Bye-bye. So he went back out there and got it. And yeah, say I wet. He used to fit all the way under. If you go back to my old videos, you'll see him fit his bike. He can no longer fit under his big old self. Oh my gosh. That must mean a bottle was under there. It gotta be into this. Oh, your bottle's under there. Oh, you got your ball though. Yeah. Ooh, what? Lord, moving a whole out of me. Hey. Man, that's soaking wet. You bring it inside. What about your ball? Remy? No, right? Your ball. Not bottle. Ball. Yes. Oh, Lord. Good boy. Good boy. We're going to keep that inside, honey. Because you would have lost it today. Do you got both of them? Yeah, you did, because there goes the ball rolling. So aggressive. That used to be the cats. All right, we're done.